Welcome to the project demonstration of electric vehicle charging through solar and dynamic. In this project we are using dynamic motor and solar panel, and here we can see the two charging circuits, and also we are using relay voltage sensor for the voltage measurement, and here we can see the switch for the load purpose, and also using PIC microcontroller and LCD display. So here we can see the adapter which takes the input of 230 volts and it will give output of 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given to this PIC microcontroller board. Then this PIC microcontroller board will be divide the equal power to the all components like LCD display, relay, and also so here we can see the capacitor, so which provides a good power for this board. So let we see the demonstration. So here we can see display which displays the welcome to the project, and here we can see the voltage values. So here we can see the voltage values 11.2 volts. So these values will be measured by this voltage sensor. So we are giving the voltage sensor input through this batteries, and we are taking the output from this voltage sensor which is given to this A0 pin. Then it will measure the voltage values based on the voltage sensor output. So here we can see we can generate the power or we can charge these batteries through dynamic motor. If I rotate this one, so we can observe that light indication, which means it is charging. So if I rotate in reverse direction also, it will be generate a power. So it will be generate forward direction and reverse direction. So this kind of operation will be done by this board. Sometimes if we rotate, then only it will give a positive charge. If sometimes we give a reverse word, so it will be not generate, it will give a reverse polarity. So even that time this light will be, or this system will be damaged. That's why we are providing this board for the reverse operation, reverse voltage and forward voltage. And also here we can see solar panel which generate the power through sunlight. So that will be given to this board, and here we can see the light indication. So these powers will be given to this relay, and also through relay we can charge these batteries. So here we can see the relay. When relay will be on when battery charge become low. So if we want to show the battery charge become low, so remove this battery to this sensor. So here we can see the light indication, which means it is generate the power and give directly to this battery. So if battery become high, then automatically relay will be gonna stop. In this way, this automatically charging the battery will be done, and also we can charge the battery using this dynamo motors and solar panel. In this way this product will be works. And another thing, so if we want to connect load to this battery, here we can see the switch. If I on this switch, so here we can see the motor rotation. We can we can off the load through the switch, and we can on the load through the switch. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.